Hello and welcome to your daily news roundup. Let's dive right into the top stories making headlines today. First up in Canadian politics, a new poll suggests that Mark Carney's first budget is getting a thumbs up from the public. The survey indicates strong support for his proposed plans on infrastructure and immigration. It seems many Canadians are hopeful that these initiatives will spur economic growth and address some of the country's long-term needs. This early positive reception could give Carney the political momentum he needs to push his agenda forward in the coming months. We'll be keeping a close eye on how these plans unfold. Meanwhile, on Parliament Hill, things are heating up over environmental policy. A Liberal MP is publicly stating he is not unhappy with the government's recent shifts in environmental strategy. This comes after Conservative leader Pierre Poilievre claimed there was significant discontent within the Liberal caucus over the changes. The MP's comments are being seen as an attempt to project unity, but it highlights the delicate balancing act the government faces between its environmental commitments and economic pressures. Speaking of economic pressures, Mark Carney has also unveiled a new priority list for major projects. The focus is shifting towards natural gas, hydroelectricity, and mining. Today, Carney is set to announce the latest batch of referrals to the Major Project Office, signaling the clear direction for the country's industrial and energy future. This move aims to fast-track key projects that are deemed critical for national economic development, but it's also likely to spark debate among environmental groups. Now, let's turn to the world of business. South of the border, Starbucks is facing a major disruption. Workers at over 65 stores across the United States have walked off the job, launching a strike on one of the company's busiest days of the year, Red Cup Day. This promotional day, where customers get a free reusable red cup, usually draws huge crowds. The striking workers are demanding better pay, more consistent scheduling, and improved staffing levels. This coordinated action is a significant escalation in the ongoing labor movement within the coffee giant, and it's sending a powerful message to corporate headquarters. Back in Canada, there's a new sense of optimism regarding international trade. Industry Minister Navdeep Bains has announced that Canada is looking for a fresh start in trade talks with India. Negotiations have been stalled for some time, but Minister Bains's comments suggest a renewed effort to finalize a deal. A comprehensive trade agreement with India could open up massive new markets for Canadian businesses, and both sides seem eager to get back to the table and overcome the previous hurdles. This could be a significant development for Canada's global trade relationships. Finally, let's talk about the Magic Kingdom. Disney just released its fourth quarter earnings report, and it's a bit of a mixed bag. The good news for the company is that its streaming services, like Disney Plus, and its theme parks are performing exceptionally well. Park attendance and subscriber numbers are up, showing strong consumer demand. However, it's not all pixie dust and happy endings. The report also revealed weaknesses in some of their traditional TV networks and recent movie box office results. This really highlights the massive shift happening in the entertainment industry as Disney continues to navigate the transition from traditional media to the new age of streaming. That's all the time we have for today. Thanks for tuning in for your daily dose of news. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. We'll see you next time.